In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook ads account disabled. If your Facebook ads account has been disabled this year, don't panic. It's a common issue and in many cases it can be reversed. First, it's important to identify the reason why your ads account was disabled. When your account is flagged, Facebook usually sends you a notification via email and inside your account's ads manager. Log into your Facebook ads manager and look for any alert messages. You'll often see a red banner stating the account has been disabled due to a policy violation or unusual activity. Click See Details to view the explanation. This step is crucial because knowing whether the issue is about billing, content, suspicious activity, or policy violations will guide your next action. Once you know the reason, go ahead and request a review. Facebook provides a request review button right next to the alert message inside Ads Manager. Click on it and carefully fill out the form. Be honest, polite, and clear. If you believe the account was disabled by mistake, say so. And if you unknowingly violated a policy, acknowledge it and explain how you will fix it going forward. Avoid emotional or aggressive language. Facebook's system are partially automated, but real people also review appeals, so being respectful helps. After submitting the request, give it time. Facebook typically responds within 24 to 48 hours. During this period, don't submit multiple requests or try creating new ad accounts. That would worsen the situation and may be seen as suspicious activity. If your review is approved, your account will be reinstated and you can resume advertising. However, if the appeal is rejected, you still have a few options. You can try reaching out to Meta Business Support via the Business Help Center. If that support is available in your region, you can speak with our live agent who may provide more insight into your case. You will need to have your business manager ID or ad account number ready when chatting. To avoid future issues, take time to review Facebook's advertising policies found at Facebook Ads Policy. Make sure your ads, landing pages, and business practices follow their standards. Avoid misleading claims, prohibited products, or policy gray areas, even unintentionally. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.